Hey, I tell you this thing, a damn road hammer. I was looking to go road hammer, and you go to a hardware store. I used to have a road hammer down there next to the sky hook. And the road hammer, I'm not talking to you about the road hammer. You know, like they got to put the hammer down to get out the road. So, ladies and gentlemen, the littlest, prettiest ones, give it up for the road hammer. One time.
I'm a road man, a load man, 18 wheels and a serious plan. Ain't nothing gonna go getting out of hand while I'm behind the wheel. I'm on fire and I'm wired, full of diesel and ready for hire. Well, I'm building a rolling empire of blood, sweat, and steel. I don't waste time, I make time, tearing a strip off the white line. I'm a professional man, I'm a one of a kind, and I know how to bring it in. I got a clean slate, 5 states, 29 that ain't so great, and 14 that'll have to wait, and 2 I've never been. I'm a road hammer, a white knuckle steel gear jammer, a rig jockey, highway slammer. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I'm a road hammer, a double talking, see big grammar, haul your load from Alabama all the way to Timbuktu. I've hauled the left coast, the west coast, California sun where they're chilling the most. I followed 309 and Teddy Bear's ghost all the way to New Orleans. I've been from Thunder Bay to PA, all the way down to FLA, and every little town along the way. There ain't much that I haven't seen. I'm a road hammer, a white knuckle steel gear jammer, a rig jockey, highway slammer. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I'm a road hammer, a double talking, see big grammar, haul your load from Alabama all the way to Timbuktu. Another day, another town, diesel love, another down. I got a pimp ride, a pretty bride, 4 little babies and my hound reside back in the hills on the mountainside, south of the river bend. I got my cell phone, she's on roll, sweet little thing wants to get it on. She says I left something turned on at home, can't wait till I'm back again. I'm a road hammer, white knuckle steel gear jammer, a rig jockey, highway slammer. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I'm a road hammer, a double talking CB grammar, all the load from Alabama all the way to Timbuktu. I'm a road hammer, white knuckle steel gear jammer, rig jockey, highway slammer. I'm just doing what I gotta do.
I'm trying to get